Hey YouTube, what's up? Dr. T here, and welcome to the Altcoin Express and my hometown of St. Petersburg, Florida. So released yesterday, SingularityNET Partners with DeepBrain Chain to create an open and democratic AI future. So the first thing we want to know is who and what is DeepBrain Chain. Look them up. They have a website and they have an About Us. It's pretty much the same thing. Mission statement is to build a decentralized AI ecosystem. DeepBrain Chain's vision is to provide a low-cost, private, flexible, secure and decentralized artificial intelligence computing platform for AI products. That's pretty much exactly what SingularityNET is. I'll just go through the pros and cons of it. They have a coin, DBC. It's not on Binance. Boink. So that's one thing you know. However, it is on, where are we? So World Coin Index. They do have a coin. It is on these exchanges. The volume is insignificant. I mean, anything below 1 million and up volume is pretty insignificant. So they've got a couple on KuCoin. I don't know the others. And let's have a look how long they've been around. At all. Yeah, so they've been around before all of the big hoopla at the beginning of the year. So they got a coin, and it's kind of a low-end coin. It's not on any major changes. It's not on Bitfinex, which is the number one, and it's not on Binance, which is number two. So it's on these little kind of Mickey Mouse, nothing kind of exchanges. So let's come back over here, look at home a bit, and we'll go back to the article. I'm not going to press the vid. You can look them up, deepbrainchain.org. Just come down here and see what's going on. So they got a bunch of miners doing some stuff. I'm not going to get into the details of any of this lot. Just want to look it over. Project introduction. Using blockchain technology, we have developed a decentralized, low-cost and privacy-protected AI computer platform with a full range of related products and services. So they're pretty much similar to. Move on down a bit. Our token DBC is traded via smart contracts based on Neo. Neo is a platform, I think. I'm not sure what Neo is. It's a coin, but yeah. So they're somewhat similar. That's enough to kind of get going with. As concerns grow over AI algorithms being controlled by a few tech giants and world governments, the SingularityNET team has been working diligently with the goal of creating a decentralized network of powerful AI agents providing practical AI services in every domain. A community, we won't go there, but you can, of AI developers and users participating in the development of network services. Today, we're proud to announce a new partnership with DeepBrain Chain, a blockchain-driven AI computing platform. It's unclear what the blockchain is, whose it is, but we'll just move on along. Through this partnership, the teams of SingularityNET and DeepBrain Chain will be collaborating to create a framework to allow a sharing of data and processing services between our two decentralized platforms, combining the two marketplaces and expanding the available amount of computing power to create and train powerful AI models and agents at scale. So they seem to be pretty much doing the same kind of thing, and they want to kind of have a kind of marketing overlap link between them, such that one's group resources eventually can interact with the other group's resources. So they're not exactly combining themselves into a new unit. They're kind of being independent and just sharing whatever is coming down the road with one another. So people in SingularityNET will almost virtually have access to everything that's going on in DeepBrain Chain and vice versa. The primary goal will be to allow users to access data and intelligent processing on either platform via back-end interactions between the platforms. The key here is to foster the expansion and growth of AI in a more decentralized manner. Society is concerned about a potential future in which the centralization of data and AI processing places huge power in the hands of a few large tech firms. Our goal is to bring about a decentralized AI ecosystem in which AI services offered by multiple projects interoperate together in a decentralized manner, resulting in a general intelligence that is both powerful and participatory. From Ben the Man. By merging forces, we believe our path towards a decentralized AI future is significantly strengthened. We look forward to updating you on our progress. Let's move right along. About DeepBrain, we've been through them. Now there's a couple of articles here. I'm just going to pop into them because they're very long. You can go and look at them, and I will put the blog post at the end of this slide. So here we are getting into some, you're not well aware, CAPS networks is something invented by Jeff Hinton a while back, a new postulate how to work things in machine learning, which is basic classification, is not deep neural networks. And this paper goes into some technical aspects of, once again, recognizing handwritten digits and letters and so on and so forth using these capulets. You'd need to go on to YouTube and look up that subject matter to get a little bit of familiarization with it. I'm not really that interested in it. I didn't go into it too deeply because my area of interest is more to do with deep reinforcement learning, which is kind of different from this. So there is that article there, and the other one authored by Ben, applying towards AI-guided regenerative medicine. I mean, this is, well, take it with a pinch of salt. I mean, it's a huge kind of like an ant nibbling at Mount Everest. SingularityNET is applying an integrated AI approach to build an automated regenerative medicine system. Well, this is just almost laughable, but you know, whatever. Just my particular take on things. Watson achieved absolutely nothing with its big marketing push to get Watson's system into cancer centers to deal with them, and basically it was a big marketing thing, and it kind of imploded on itself. So anything to do with medical and AI right now, you need to take with a very big punch of salt. Go and look at DeepMind and see how DeepMind Health is applying their interactions within the British health system. That's probably a bit more realistic than some of these other things. So he's got that. And what's this? Can deep networks learn invariance? So this has got to do with neural networks and coding and stuff like that. So if you're just an investor and a general interest person, this is kind of a little way up there. If you're a coder, then some of this will mean something, but it's kind of deep, and you can get into it and read it if you're a coder and interested in this. So that goes through pretty much that, and we'll come back out and come back up to the top. So summary is that they've structured a partnership with somebody who's pretty much trying to do the same thing as they are, such that they aren't in competition with one another, that they are kind of aligned and being self-supportive for their own functional prosperity, I guess you'd say.